Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create bank rules in Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, I'll log into your Zoho account and click on banking right here in the left panel. Click on it, select from one of your bank accounts. Okay, once that's done, go to the top right, click on the gear icon. Like so, and here you have manage transaction rules. Just click on it. And in here, let's go to click on new rule. When you click on it, we're going to select the transaction type, defining the criteria to identify the transaction, and selecting a paid account, payment mode, and reference number. Click on new rule right here, give it a name, sample bank rule. Okay, applies to what? Deposits or withdrawals. Maybe just deposits for now. You can go ahead and add in more rules later. Okay, categorize the transaction when all of the following criteria matches or any of the following criteria matches. Okay, click on drop down. Maybe the amount will be equal to 1,000 or more than or equal to 1,000. It's up to you. Okay, record as sales without invoice. Okay, or some other options. So I'm just going to select sales without invoice. The amount right here could be from income. It could be from discount, general income, interest income, late fee, shipping charge, other charges. Okay, customer, select from one of your customers right here, and the tax if you have configured the tax. Okay, received via cash or bank transfer, it's up to you. And the reference number right here, use value from the bank statement, or if you want to, you can go ahead and enter manually. Okay, and once that's done, it says here add transaction in this rule to recognize transactions or categorize transactions. Okay, you select one, hit on save. Once done, you just created your first bank rule here in Zoho Books. You can go ahead and add in some more if you want to, but that's it for now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you at the next one.